How to make a list of code names in LibreOffice Calc. LibreOffice Calc is a free, open-source spreadsheet program similar to Microsoft Excel with many of the same features, functions, and user interface elements. It is not, however, exactly the same as Microsoft Excel. For various reasons, you might wish to have code names for customers, friends, coworkers, wide range of applications, notably anonymizing spreadsheet documents, for example, accounting records. This is very easy to do in a simple way in LibreOffice Calc. Here I have a list of fictional customers. How do I come up with code names for them? I can select here and I can type in something such as cust for customer ending with a number, for example 101. We select the cell with cust 101. This is the code name for John Riggs, my first customer. We now select the cell handle here. We're going to go down a little ways, and as you can see, it now created a bunch of sequentially numbered cust 101 through cust 109. Let's keep going all the way to the end of the list of fictional customers. And as you can see, they continue all the way from 101 to 130. So very simple, very easy to make a list of customer, in this case customer code names, but it could be code names for almost anything. These could be vendors, these could be products, these could be all sorts of confidential information that you want to replace with a code name. Again, just to repeat, the basic procedure is to select a cell, enter a code name. The code should end with a number. For example, code 1001. Select that cell. In this repeat example, code 1001. Select the cell handle in the lower right corner of the cell and drag. And it automatically updates the number, giving a sequence of code names all the way down to here 1030. And that's it. How to make a list of code names in LibreOffice Calc. Let me just show the version of LibreOffice that I'm using. This is version 24.2.5.2. And I will check and demonstrate that it's up to date on the date when this video was produced. Yes, it is. LibreOffice 24.2 is up to date. This concludes how to make a list of code names in LibreOffice Calc.